So today, what we're going to be doing is cleaning off my battery terminals. I have a 2000 Ford Ranger 3.0 flex fuel. Looks pretty bad, as you can see. So what I have as far as tools go are obviously your ratchets, your fittings. As far as this goes, I have, for the positive side, is a 5/16 fitting, and for the negative side is 15/32. They're both different for some reason. One was replaced, one wasn't before. Anyway, I also have a battery terminal cleaner, which is a basic tool you can buy at any AutoZone, probably Walmart, wherever. It's like an internal wire brush that you put over your terminals if you have the terminals like I have. It comes apart so you can clean the cables. Okay. Also, good thing to have handy while you're doing this is your different size fittings, a crescent or adjustable wrench, which is the best thing to have just in case you can't fit the size or whatever. And safety glass is probably the most important thing to have during this. Okay, so let's come back over here. First thing we're going to do is take off the positive side. I always just take the positive side off first. Leave the negative on there so we have a ground. Get that on there first. It's kind of rusty. I'll probably be replacing this terminal soon enough. So here we go. Pretty rusty. There we go. We're good. We got it. Yeah, that's definitely going to get replaced soon. Anyway, so I'm just going to loosen it just enough so I can bring it over the terminal here. Just kind of move it around. A lot of corrosion there, as you can see. So just be careful. Don't let anything get in your eyes. And this is kind of dangerous here, so... Alright, so now what I'm going to do is take the negative side off. There we go. This one shouldn't be near as hard to get off. But you never know. There we go. Nice. That's very easy. So, don't take the nut all the way off. It's probably not the best idea. So, and just kind of wiggle it out when you get it off. There, okay. There we go. So they're both off. As you can see, there's a lot of corrosion on the positive side. Not so much on the negative side. I guess it could have to do with a few things. This old terminal here probably has a lot to do with it. But, alright, so let's get down to cleaning. What we're going to do now is just leave it intact at first. What we're going to do is slide this over your terminal, okay? Which is going to clean the whole terminal, give it better conduction. There you go. See how much cleaner that looks already? See that? And what you can do also around the bottom here is kind of wire brush around the base of the terminal there so it doesn't look as bad. Alright. Now I'm going to work on the positive side. See that? A lot better already. Just don't get any of this in your eyes or on your skin. It'll probably won't feel too good. Don't inhale any of it. Probably a bad idea. So we're going to work on this for a second here. Get it cleaned up. We'll go back over it. And come back up. There we go. See how much better that terminal looks? How much cleaner? Now, I'm going to take each one of these cables here, clean them up. There we go. Yep. That one's clean. Now we're going to go through the negative side. you do that, clean it up a little bit, make it look good. There we go. Alright, I think we're almost ready to reattach. So first thing I'm going to do is obviously do the negative side first, which is, I don't think everybody does it this way, but I tend to do it that way. Alright, grab this. Okay, comes on fairly tight. That's what we're looking for. Now I'm going to put the positive side back together here. Tighten that right up. There we go. That's pretty tight there. Not going anywhere. Alright, so these terminals were fairly easy to get to. There are some vehicles where you won't really need to do this at all, and some you will, like there's sign mounted terminals there, like where they'll be on the sides, which you might have to work around a few things in here a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. I've seen some where people have to take their battery actually out to clean everything, and if you come over here, there's some batteries that you really wouldn't have to clean anything off, because as you see, all there is a bolt right there on the outside of the positive and negative terminals. And obviously it's a fairly new battery. A lot of these are looking like this now. So, but that's how you clean the terminals on a battery.